Steps for replacement of the rivet nut rod. Unscrew the nut guide nozzle with matched spanner of corresponding size and put it aside for standby. Push the sliding sleeve backward so that the hexagon is in the middle of the rivet nut rod, which is detached from the sliding sleeve, thereby loosening the pull rod. When the fixed sliding sleeve is pushed to the bottom, replace the required nut rod, then tighten it to the left for use. After tightening the rivet nut rod, loosen the sliding sleeve and mount the corresponding guide nozzle in the direction as shown. Working procedure of the nut riveting gun. Adjust the proper working stroke for the nut, then open the handle and mount on the nut which is located on the riveting nut rod. Insert the nut into the hole for riveting. Close the handle and rivet nut to the right position. The rivet gun can be withdrawn by rotating the knob in a counterclockwise direction. Complete the riveting. If you're going to make car modifications, off-road modification, firewall additions, or a combination of bicycle accessories, the Auditomo Rivet Gun will provide you a faster customizable solution.